Welcome. If you want to get animated galaxy wallpaper on your XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Shadow Galaxy. We have to install this app from maxels.net. Let's open, then click open one more time and tap to set as a wallpaper, and here also we get preview of this wallpaper, how it looks. Click set, apply on the home screen for example, and here we got this wallpaper. Oh sorry, I turn on the game and there's our wallpaper on the Mi 10 Lite. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.